Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize BigQuery to query from Cloud SQL with service accounts. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize BigQuery to query from Cloud SQL using service accounts, begin by accessing the Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the I am an admin section. Select service accounts from the left sidebar. Click on Create Service Account at the top of the page. Fill in the required service account name and description. Select Create to proceed. In the Service Account Permissions section, select BigQuery Admin from the list. Add any additional roles you may need, then click Continue. You can skip the Grant Users Access to the service account step by clicking Done. Locate the service account you just created in the list. Click on the three dots next to it and select Manage Keys. Click on Add Key, then choose JSON. This will download a JSON key file to your computer. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Authenticate the Google Cloud SDK with the service account using the JSON key file. Run the command, cloudauth activate service account key file equals path / your / service account key.json. Set the project you'll be working with by running cloud config set project your _project _ID. Now, link your Cloud SQL database with BigQuery. Navigate to BigQuery in the Google Cloud Console. Select your project and click on Create Data Source. Choose Connection and fill in the details for your Cloud SQL instance. Ensure you include the correct instance connection name and database credentials. For authentication type, select Service Account. Complete the connection setup by clicking Create. Return to the BigQuery console and execute a sample query to test the connection. If the configuration is correct, you will see the results from your Cloud SQL database. In summary, ensure that the service account has adequate permissions, and validate the connection between BigQuery and Cloud SQL. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.